Well, hello, my doves. Hope you're well today. Because today I am making some empanadas filled with meat and chorizo. So, empanadas is like little meat pies. Okay, so I'll be topping them with tomatoes, lettuce, and onions. To my meat, I'm gonna add 1 serrano. I'm gonna add some diced onions. And over here, I'm gonna add a Ripa of chorizo. I'm gonna put that in the microwave. I'm gonna be adding some sour cream. To my flour, maceca, I'll be adding half a teaspoon of baking soda, so it'll fluff up a little. And that's it, you guys. Over here, my ground beef already going. I'm going to add my no salt garlic and herbs, and some black pepper, and some salt to taste. I'm going to season my meat before I start on my masa. I'll be putting some regular garlic powder, black pepper. All of this is to your taste, guys. This is the no salt garlic and herbs. Now, wonderful. Guys, you need to do your meat first because we need to let it cool before we put it in our tortillas to make the empanadas. Now we're gonna add 1 serrano. If you don't eat spicy, you can add some bell pepper. Now we got about half a cup of onions, diced onions. So this is ground beef and chorizo empanadas. Now let's take some of the excess fat out of here before we put in our chorizo. Okay, guys, this is what your chorizo should look in the 4 minutes in the microwave. We're gonna try and not put too much oil in there. Now we mix everything. Who doesn't like chorizo? Oh my gosh. I don't think there's nobody that doesn't like chorizo. Guys, we're forgetting, we cannot forget our mozzarella cheese in our empanadas. So my meat is done. I'm transferring it over here to this bowl so it'll cool off faster. And we'll head down to make the tortillas. We can't have our empanadas without our Chiltepin sauce. So here I have cilantro, salt, chiltepin, and garlic powder. So we're gonna go ahead and do it on the molcajete. Okay, and it's fine. Now I'm adding some tomato sauce and a little bit of water. Water. Guys, this is gonna be spicy. Let me try. It is very spicy, guys. I think I'm adding another tomato sauce. I will change it up a little bit. Oh, the cilantro. Oh, and green onions. Guys, this is a salsa for tacos, empanadas, anything. It is delicious. Okay, guys, so I am using 2 cups of maceca, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and I have a cup and a half of warm water. We'll see if that'll work or we need more. You can tell when your masa is ready when it's not sticking to your fingers. Okay, I think we're going to need another half of a cup. Smells so good. Fresh corn. When it comes together like that, guys, just wet your hand. I'm gonna put it damp little paper towel, and we'll leave it setting for about 15 minutes, and then we're ready to roll. Okay guys, we are ready to make our tortillas. For our empanadas. The other way. I'm gonna set them right here. We'll cover them. Let's make the next one. Guys, I haven't made corn tortillas for a while. Oops. So, turn it around. There we have it. Now, if you're wondering where I got my tortilla flattener for corn tortillas at Amazon, they have all sizes and I think different colors. I'm not too sure. So guys, I'm gonna continue making the tortillas for my empanadas. So they are all done. I don't know if you can see them. Now we're ready to fill them and put them to fry. It's time to start filling my empanadas. Okie dokie. My meat and my chorizo are pulled down already. We're going to put some cheese. And we're going to close them. Pinch them well at the end. You gotta be very careful with this lard, or oil, I mean. So my doves, we're gonna continue and make this empanaditas, and we'll be right back. There you have it, my doves. This is the Chiltepin salsa with my chorizo and ground beef empanadas, and here are the fixings you put on top with, don't forget your crema. Now, if you want to see these empanadas eaten, go to Big Guy Appetite's channel. He'll be eating these empanadas. Now guys, thank you so much for coming into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Love you.